Be sure to cook.
Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, I'm going to be making hot wings, and we're going to be using fresh chicken to make it. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, today you can use any type of wings you want to. I'm using just regular wings at the store, a whole wing. Okay, after you thoroughly rinse them, I have it in this strainer and a big bowl at the bottom to catch the water. And you'll catch some and just dump that water out, and I've been dumping it out. But what I do is I take some garlic powder and I generally just put a little bit over them, you know, generously. Okay, I'm using a pan, and I've got it on medium high, and I'm going to be using a teaspoon of any butter you want, but I like my Smart Balanced butter. Okay, now the butter is completely melted. I'm going to be adding hot sauce to it, but I'm going to be adding two different kinds. I'm going to add some Louisiana hot sauce to this. And you can add about 1/4 cup or, you know, to your tasting. I'm going to turn this a little bit down more. I'm going to mix that into the butter. It depends on how much hot sauce you want to make. So I'm just going to do a couple cracks of black pepper. Since this is kind of coarse like, you can make it fine or whatever. I'm just using a little bit just to get that flavor in there. Then I'm going to use some good old garlic. And this garlic is not, it's garlic powder, not garlic with salt or anything like that. Okay, I've already been cooking some of my chicken because I told you I was making a lot. And these are my chicken wings over here. And this with the season. I'm just going to start putting those into my fryer. Turn it down, make sure it's not too hot. Okay, as this is boiling, I'm stirring. Every now and then you come over and stir, make sure it doesn't stick. But it should boil and get all that butter and all that seasons you put in there. Okay, I've got out a big pan for my hot wings and all my little celery sticks and stuff like that. These are already prepared celery sticks. Okay, these have been cooking and some of them are still on top. So I'm just gonna flip these a little. Metal pan. Great. Then we're gonna take that buffalo sauce that we had and we're gonna pour all that goodness right over all those wings. It's just enough made this batch, but I've been making batches, you know, for a while because I'm making a party. So I had to make batch after batch after batch. But if you want to make more, just double your ingredients. And we take that and we're just going to toss this into these hot wings. And we want to make sure we get these nice and covered. And if you have any extra sauce left over, some people like theirs a lot wet. Just save some of this sauce. Put this sauce in the bowl where they can put a little extra on their wings if they want. But I'm going to show you how to do that because this is just cooked chicken with the buffalo sauce that we already done. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put this in our pan. We're going to put it on a 400-degree oven. We're going to leave it in there for about 15 minutes until they soak into the chicken. Okay, that's the pan that I just put a little bit of nonstick spray in. These are my wings and I'm taking it and I'm still tossing these wings because I want to make sure they get nice in here. And I'm just going to take these babies and I'm just going to lay them in this nice pan here. This is a glass pan, but you can use any pan you want. I happen to prefer like glass better. I don't know, I think it cooks your food better. I know it sounds stupid, but if you notice, if you use a dry pan, your food comes out more tender and softer. When you use dark pans, to me, you can tend to dry out cakes and foods and stuff like that because it's a dark pan. I don't know, it's just me. See that sauce there? I'm gonna hold that sauce. I'll make sure these wings are not touching each other because I really want that delicious stuff to bake in there. What we're going to do is we're going to scoop a little bit of this sauce and we're going to make sure we put it on there because we want all that to bake in there. 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. and we'll see what happens then. All right, guys, we took these out of the oven, and these are what our hot wings look like. They look scrumptious, they look delicious, and they look like I'm ready to eat them. So let's put these on our big platter. All right, so I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna place these over here with the other ones. They were hot, and doing the tongs would be like forever to do that. So I just got a big old spatula. And I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these right on out here. Look at here. Look at this. Hot wings with celery sticks. And we have a big old salad over here. And then we're gonna do some ranch, guys. Okay. We're gonna squeeze out some ranch here. There we go. We got ranch, we got celery sticks, we got a nice salad. Look at here, this is all good. All of this is delicious. I love celery sticks. Okay, a big party, wings of celery, ranch, hot wings, and we got a salad going on here tonight. So, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the show, and I hope you can go to your house and make the same thing we both made here. You and me, we both made this. Come back another day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.